Hello everyone, welcome to Raji Asir kitchen. Today we are diving into mutton liver fry. It's a delicious and a flavorful Indian dish that's perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. This is very easy to follow. So let's get started. Wash the mutton liver thoroughly under cold water to remove any impurities. Cut it into small bite-sized pieces. I have taken half kilo of goat liver and transfer into pressure cooker. To this I am adding turmeric powder and 1 cup of water. Close the pressure cooker and cook for 6 to 7 whistles. I have taken 1 cup of small onions and cut into small pieces. Next, I am going to heat the pan and add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry for 1 minute. Then add the onions. Saute continuously until fragrant. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to your taste. You can adjust the spices to your taste. Mix well together. Now I am gonna add the cooked mutton liver. Mix them well. Cook for 10 minutes or until the water evaporates. You can see now it's almost ready. Add chopped coriander leaves for garnish. Serve hot with rice, roti, chapati or naan. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this mutton liver fry recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Raji Asir Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching.